Hey, God bless you and happy Saturday. I am here in my gym just doing a little bit of workout, but I just needed to pause a little bit. I know my face is still swollen. It's a lot better than what it was. It's already a few days, and I'm just hoping that it. faith. And that's what I want to talk to you about in this moment. See, faith isn't about having all the answers. It's about trusting the one who does. Like Thomas, the apostle, we sometimes want proof before we believe. We want instant gratification, right? Like the disciples in the Gospel of Mark, chapter 4:37, we panic when storms rise around us. But even in the middle of the storm, Jesus was in the boat. Here's the truth. With Jesus in your boat, the storms may still rock you, but you won't sink. He is with you in the spring rain and in the fiercest tornado. He is not only with you, he is for you. So trust him with your future, with your children, with your health, with your finances, with the parts you've been holding back. Trust him without reservations. Just the same way that I trust and I have faith that this will go away ASAP. But everything has its process. But that does not mean that we stop and we hide and we want to run away and we just give up. You got to keep pressing forward. You got to keep moving and believing and trusting and continue walking in that faith no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're facing, no matter what is before you. God is there. Trust him. Sometimes you just got to let things go and just give it up to Jesus. So this is just a food for thought. Now, I'm going to go get back to work. God bless you.